Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss the nomenclature of carboxylic acids. Compounds containing the carboxyl group are distinctly acidic and are called carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids may be aliphatic or aromatic depending upon whether carbonyl group is attached to an alkyl group or an uh, aryl groups. We discuss the nomenclature of carboxylic acids. We will only discuss the opaque system of carboxylic acids. There are some rules for the opaque system of nomenclature of carboxylic acids. Number first is aliphatic monocarboxylic acids are named alkanoic acids. If we take an alkane, in the last alphabet E is replaced by OIC and acid, oic acids. For example, we have a function group like this, and alkyl group is attached on in other sides. An alkyl group is attached to other sides of carbon. Its name will be, now look at first carbon, second carbon, it gives ethane. It gives ethane. If we replaced E by oic acid, so its name will be ethanoic acid. This is very simple. Take in another example. We have carbon attached to oxygen. To one side of carbon there is hydroxyl group, and to other side there is carbon H2 and carbon H3. Now if we give the name of alkane to it, so it is propane. If the last alphabet of propane is replaced by oic acid, so its name will be propanoic acid. Example number 3, carbon attached to oxygen, OH, and other is CH2, CH3, CH2, and the last one CH3. Now it is a butane. So replaced the E by oic acid, its name will be butanoic acid. This is very simple. Now dear students, in the second case of branched acids, the chain is starting from the carboxyl carbon atom and substituents are located in the usual way. Take an example. We have carbon attached to oxygen. To one side is carboxyl group and other side is CH2, then CH3 attached to this carbon, and again there is CH3. Its name will be is the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. It is a butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. So locate this one, start the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Start the numbering from the carbon of carboxylic group. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 carbon, and at the third carbon of this branch methyl group is attached. So first its name will be 3 methyl, 3 methyl, then butane, 3 methyl butane is its alkane name. Now replace E by OIC, oic acids. Its name will be 3 methyl butanoic acids. Now its complete name will be 3 methyl butanoic acids. If there are 2 alkyl groups are attached like this, CH, we have CH3 here, then CH, we have CH3 here, alkyl group, and there is the last one, CH3 methyl group. Now start counting from this carbon. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Its alkanic group will, its alkanic name will be 2, 3 dimethyl, it's a butane, so butanoic acid. Dear student, when carboxylic acids containing 2 carboxyl groups are named as alkanoic acids. Just like this, alkane, then di, then OIC and acids. This name is contain 3 parts. Number first is alkane, number second one is di, number third one is OIC acid, oic acids. Now take the example, we have a carbon, a first group carboxyl group and a carbon of second carboxyl group. We have a 2 group, its name will be ethane because we have 2 group, its is ethane, and this is the first portion, alkane, the first portion. So in the first portion we have ethane, and then the second portion we have a di, and the third portion is oic acid. So its name, complete name is ethane dioic acid. We have another example, this is example number first and example number second. We have on one end the carboxyl group, then a methyl, then the same group on other end. Now it's 1, 2, 3, it's propane. The first part will be a propane because this is a propane. Then the second part is di because we have 2 carbonyl group di, and the third part is oic acids. So its complete name is propanoic acids. Similarly, we take in example number 3, if we have more carbon like this, we have first carbonyl group to one side, and then CH2 and 3 whole 3, again the same group. In this case, you will have to open this part. You will have to open this part of these compounds like this: carbon, double bond to oxygen. So it is carboxyl first group. Now here we have three groups of CH2, 1, 2, 3, and again we have the same carboxyl group. Now count the numbering from this carbon: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is, this is pentane. This is the first part of this group. Now the second part is di, and the third part is oic acid. So its complete name is pentane dioic acid. Pentane dioic acids. If we have a group attached to this one, for example, a CH, for example, first group is here, then the second part, then the third, and here we have another group of carboxyl. Now its name will be, now start the numbering from this side: 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a butane. No problem is here. But at the second carbon we have a methyl group, so 2 methyl. So 2 methyl, and then dioic acids. So its complete name will be 2-methyl butane dioic acids. This should be clear to you that we have only mono and dioic acids because the carboxyl group always attached to the ends of the compound, the structural compounds. Dear students, in the case of unsaturated carboxylic acids, the name of alkane is replaced by alkenes. Here we will replace this A by E. Now take the example. We have an interesting example: CH2, then double bond CH, and then carboxyl group. Now start the naming. Now we will start the naming not from here, but from this carbon, because this is a major group attached. So carbon 1, 2, and 3. Its name is propene. From here 1, 2, 3. Propenoic, replace E by OIC, propenoic acid. Propenoic acid. If we have but but at this but in this case we have a double bond, but in this case we will not mention the position of this double bond because this double bond is also at the end of carbon. Now dear students, we have another example. The carboxyl group is attached to this carbon, and we have a 2 methyl group. So and we have 5 carbon, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now start the numbering from here. We will have a double bond at position number 3. So uh, protanoic acid. For alkynes, we will take an example, a carbon carboxylic group. Then we have triple bond with a carbon and CH3. Now start the numbering from here. So 1 2 3 4. We have a carbon at position number 2, so 2 right before this one, 2 butanoic acid. Dear students, for cyclic ring, a carboxyl group is attached to a cyclic ring. It is named by adding suffix carboxylic acid to the name of cycloalkanes. For example, this one is cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Now first give the name cyclohexane carboxylic acid. And similarly, cyclopentanic carboxylic acid. Cyclopentanic carboxylic acid. So thank you very much, dear students. It was a simple nomenclature, and I hope you will enjoyed it very much. So thank you very much. Have a nice day and a nice time. Allah Hafiz.